Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm showing you guys how to make this super delicious cornbread dressing. Before I begin, don't forget to leave a like if you like the video, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. Okay guys, today we're going to jump right in. I will leave all the ingredients down below for you guys. So first thing I'll be doing is melt about 2 tablespoons of butter. Once that is melted, I am going to pour in my onions and my green bell pepper and the celery. Now we're going to cook them for about a minute to a minute and a half until you notice your onions are nice and translucent and the bell peppers are changing color basically. Now I am going in with some garlic. I'm using minced garlic because I want a nice garlicky flavor in this recipe. Okay, I love me some garlic, so we're going to add that in and cook it for about 30 seconds or until your garlic started to fragrance and it's turning a light golden brown color. All right, now we're going to set that aside. Moving on to the cornbread. I made this cornbread yesterday and I overcooked it on purpose because I want it to be nice and dry. The best cornbread dressing is made out of dry, super dry cornbread. So we're going to crumble the cornbread by hand, very fine, and I'll show you guys what to do with it next. All right, I am going to pour it in this bowl, that way we can mix everything together. So you are going to pour it into a bowl, or you can just leave it in the bowl you are using. And then what you're going to do is take your veggies, your celery, bell peppers, onion, just pour that into your cornbread. Okay, now I am going to add some leftover turkey that I had in my fridge. However, you can use chicken, like a rotisserie chicken for this recipe. I even had a recipe that I made with Cajun sausages. I will leave that below. It was bomb. It was delicious. Now I'm going to be adding some cream of celery, and if you have cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, add that in, but that's what I had. That's what we're using today, so don't come for me. It's gonna come out great, trust me. Okay, so now I am going to be cracking about 2 eggs, place that in there, and these are the seasoning. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, Creole seasoning, salt, pepper, chicken bouillon. I have some sage in there as well. We're going to add that in, and now what you're going to do is take your hand and start mixing everything. I mean everything. This is where it gets dirty. You gotta get in there and just mix everything together. And as I'm mixing, I am going to be adding in some chicken broth. I am going to pour that in as I am mixing it. Now, if you like your cornbread dressing more moist, you can add more chicken broth. I'm using low sodium chicken broth, but however, this is the way that I like my cornbread dressing, so we're going to stop there. Now I'm going to pour it to my baking dish. Don't forget to grease your baking dish because I definitely forgot to do that. So now we're going to add that in. Then we are going to bake this on 350. I am going to bake it on 350 for about 30 minutes. Keep an eye because you don't want it to be dry. Like, keep an eye on this, okay? Now, once we're done, this is how it came out. So beautiful. My kitchen smell like Thanksgiving right now. I love the flavor on this one because I've never tried turkey cornbread dressing, and I must say I love the flavor. And if you like it more moist, like I said, go for it. You can customize this however you like. I'm pretty sure you have these ingredients already in your kitchen, so try this out. And look how moist this is, just how I like it. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Let me know down below how you make your cornbread dressing because I would love to know. And don't forget to leave a like for me, guys. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. I mean, we can do it. Let's get it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.